Hey guys, as promised, this is our Thursday, September 10th recap. Again, it was a Thursday, so it's nothing new, but this is just your last reminder of your only two assignments due this week, just two. So, Google Classroom, you click on classwork. First one is going to be your virtual notebook. Remember, we're scrolling to page 10, your hydro flask. I have had a few questions on you guys trying to get your selfie pictures from your phone to your Chromebook. So the easiest way I can think of is to email it to yourself. So if you email your school email address, your picture to that, you should be able to. If you need to use a bit emoji or something like that, I'm cool. That lets me know that you were trying. But a lot of you I have already seen have your pretty and handsome faces up for me to see. So I'm excited about that since I don't get to see you all the time. And your last thing that is due, we're going to leave our notebook. Oh boy. We're going to leave our notebook. Week 1, this is where we're at. So yesterday's video, our first video, and then don't forget that this is our Illuminate pretest. Remember, I need those scores by tomorrow night. I need to put them into their special place this weekend for us to show your improvement when we go to take our post-test. So again, please don't make Mrs. Ham come find me. So you guys can do this. It's going to be spectacular. I know it. And if you need your student ID number, remember the schedule that was mailed home is going to be your numbers underneath your name, that 9, and y'all know it way better than me. That's why this is English. So really, that is it for this week. I know some of us were peeking around and doing some things for tomorrow and next week. That's cool. Not due this week. Just your hydro flask and your Illuminate pretest. Those are the only 2 things for this week. Keep your questions coming. I've got a bunch I see in Google Classroom. I'll be going through those today. I'm going to finish up some lesson planning. And then tomorrow we are jumping into almost what our full session will be. So make sure you are on time so I can hopefully get faster at attendance, because we have to figure out how we're going to log in to do our word work. I've always called them WAPOWs. I'm not sure what 6th grade calls them, but we've got to get started on that. And that is really about it. So I will see y'all tomorrow on our first Friday. Bye.